fourth planet from the Sun. Once thought to host alien life, now the target of our greatest ambitions in space, it has stirred human imagination for thousands of years. Known since ancient times, it is visible to the naked eye as a fiery red dot in the sky. The Babylonians observed it. So did the Greeks and Romans, who named it after the god of war. Its reddish hue, caused by iron oxide or rust, seemed to symbolize blood and battle. The name stuck, and today we still call it Mars, the warrior of the solar system. Mars is about half the size of Earth. While Earth stretches over 12,700 kilometers across, Mars measures just 6,800 kilometers in diameter, making it roughly the size of Earth's landmass without the oceans. Mars orbits the Sun every 687 Earth days, almost twice as long as our own year. A day on Mars, called a sol, is just a little longer than ours, 24 hours and 37 minutes. Its tilted axis gives it seasons, just like Earth, though they last longer due to its extended orbit. Mars has two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, named after the sons of Ares. Unlike our large round moon, these are irregular and lumpy, more like captured asteroids than traditional moons. Phobos, the closer of the two, orbits so quickly it rises and sets twice each Martian day. But it's doomed. Phobos is slowly spiraling toward Mars and may eventually crash into the surface or break apart into a ring. Mars is wrapped in a thin veil of atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, too thin to breathe and too weak to hold much heat. Temperatures plummet at night. Dust storms can rage across the entire planet, and its skies glow a soft pinkish hue at sunset. Without a protective magnetic field, Mars is constantly battered by solar radiation, making its surface a challenging place to survive. Yet despite its lifeless appearance, Mars holds some of the greatest geological wonders in the solar system. Towering over the Martian plains is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. It rises more than 13 miles high, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. A giant frozen in time, silent for millions of years, but a monument to the planet's fiery past. Mars has been the focus of over 50 space missions, some successful, many not. But in recent years, our understanding of Mars has taken a giant leap. NASA's Perseverance rover landed in 2021, joined by the tiny helicopter Ingenuity, which made the first powered flight on another planet. Perseverance is searching for signs of ancient life in the Jezero crater, a place once filled with water. We've found ancient riverbeds, delta formations, and even traces of organic molecules in the Martian soil. Underground, scientists have detected signs of liquid water, a possible key to life. But what happened to the water? Mars lost its magnetic field, its atmosphere thinned, and water vanished from the surface. The question still remains: did life ever begin on Mars? And if it did, could it still linger below? As Mars calls to us, not just as a mystery to be solved, but as a destination. NASA plans human missions in the 2030s. We may one day walk on its red sands, build homes, grow food in Martian soil, and stand under a salmon-pink sky. And as we look back at the Earth from its dusty plains, we'll know we've taken our first steps beyond our cradle. Mars, the red planet, may become the first home of humankind beyond Earth. Until then, it waits in silence, still and ready.